In this tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-tune vocals in Adobe Audition using its built-in tools. We'll add automatic pitch correction to a vocal track and explore how to adjust the settings to get the result you're looking for. First, I have a vocal sample already loaded. Let's give it a quick listen to hear what we're working with.
Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel 'em. It's okay if you wanna cry.
Now, to add Auto-Tune, we'll start by going to the top bar. Click on Effects, then scroll down to Time and Pitch and select Automatic Pitch Correction. By default, the settings won't change much. You can press the spacebar to play the audio and hear the subtle difference.
Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel 'em. It's okay if you wanna cry.
To really bring out the auto-tune effect, we'll need to adjust the settings. Next, in the Key drop-down, select the correct key for your project. If you're unsure, you can try C major as a starting point, but feel free to adjust it based on your track. Now, let's increase the attack to the maximum. This will make the pitch correction respond faster. We'll also increase the sensitivity to make the auto-tune more aggressive. Now, let's play it back. You should hear a stronger auto-tune effect, similar to what's commonly used in pop and hip-hop.
Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel 'em. It's okay if you wanna cry.
If you want an extreme auto-tune sound, like in some popular tracks, there's a preset called Extreme Correction that will push the auto-tune to its limit. On the other hand, if you're working with a vocalist who just needs a little pitch correction, you can select Subtle Vocal Correction from the presets. This will make the adjustments more natural and less noticeable. Once you've dialed in the sound you want, press Apply to lock in the changes. And that's how you apply Auto-Tune in Adobe Audition.